Welcome to this tutorial on processing vendor returns using the Parts Invoice system. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to create a vendor return and process parts to be returned, either with or without a purchase order. First, let's create a new vendor return. Navigate to Parts Invoice and click New. From the drop-down, select the record type Vendor Return. Next, select the vendor account from where the part was originally purchased. This will pre-populate the Ship To fields with the vendor's shipping address. Once all the details are filled out, click Save. Once the vendor return has been created, it's time to add the parts that need to be returned. Under Parts Returned, click Add. If the part being returned is associated with a purchase order, use the search field to look up the related PO number. Once selected, available items from the purchase order will display below. Click the plus button next to the desired item to move it to the Selected Items section. A pop-up modal will appear, allowing you to update the quantity of parts being returned and add any relevant comments. Make sure the quantity doesn't exceed what was sold. Click Save to confirm. You'll be redirected back to the Return Parts screen, where the selected part will now appear under Selected Items. If you need to return a part not linked to a purchase order, click Add Part in the Selected Items section. In the modal, use the Part Lookup field to find the part. Only parts with a positive on-hand quantity will appear. Enter the quantity to be returned and click Save when you're done. Once saved, the part will be added to the Selected Items section. Click Close to return to the main invoice. After adding all the parts to the return, the vendor return invoice will remain in open status. To finalize, click Invoice to update the status to Invoiced. This step must be completed before closing the invoice. Please note that cashiering of vendor return invoices is not supported within the Parts Invoice system. Credits for these returns will be handled by the accounting department. And that's it, you've successfully processed a vendor return. Thank you for watching.